Good evening, dear followers. This is Hiba from Arabian Dinner YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you my favorite soup recipe. It's lentil soup. It's delicious, it's healthy. You're gonna appreciate having this soup during cold winter nights. I'm gonna also share with you my fried cauliflower and eggplants recipe. You're gonna like this type of cooked cauliflower, so let's start cooking. To cook today's frozen soup, we're gonna need some eggplants. We're gonna cut them like this. Some cauliflowers. Cut the cauliflowers into pieces. Some bread bits. This will be fried later. Some salt. A handful of rice. And a cup and a half of lentils or dal, whatever you call it. Some corn oil. I'm gonna use this bottle of water here. It's 1.5 liters. 2 medium onions. I'm gonna grate these onions with a grater for the soup. So start preparing for the soup. Put the lentils and the rice in a strainer and wash them 4 times. I put the lentils and the rice in a pot now, and I'm gonna start making the soup. We're gonna add the grated onion, one big spoon of oil, this size, one tablespoon of salt, I'm gonna add the water now. Now stir the ingredients and cook them on high heat till they boil. Now after it boiled, I'm gonna turn my stove on medium heat, cover the pot, and cook it for 30 to 35 minutes. Don't forget to stir your soup from time to time so it doesn't stick to the pot. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and the soup is done now. So if you're a curry fan, cumin, curcum, you can always add a little bit of it to the soup. It's gonna give it a great flavor. Stir it. Fill the pan with the corn oil and start deep frying everything now. Fry all of these vegetables on high heat stove. When they're golden, they're done. The golden color will make you realize they're done. Our delicious lentil soup is ready now, as well as the great fried cauliflowers and the eggplants. So I'm gonna show you now how we eat it here in the Middle East. We always eat it with bread. Any type of bread will be good. You can always make great sandwiches out of this. You can put the cauliflower in the bread and some salt, some cumin, and of course, you can always squeeze some fresh lemon on it. You're gonna love this cauliflower sandwich. As for the eggplants, this is how we eat it. You put few eggplants, some salt, and of course some tomato slices, some bell pepper, and sandwiches are done. The delicious lentil soup is considered the official soup in the Middle East for the winter season. People love to make this soup during the cold winter. It's warm and tasty. You're gonna love this soup. I'm gonna show you how you eat this soup. We get some of the soup, put it in the plate. I squeeze some lemon on it. And of course, the delicious fried bread. And we mix them. You're gonna love this soup. If you enjoyed Arabian dinner for tonight, please consider supporting me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, because you encourage me to make more and more wonderful dinner recipes.